So this is January 24th. It's a little after 2 in the afternoon. This is after the onslaught of Storm Jonas. It's been called a blizzard, mega storm, all kinds of stuff. All kinds of states of emergency and everything. Kids are having fun, although I wouldn't be in it. There's just something funky about this snow. I thought it was really crazy that here I am in southwest New Jersey. So I'm about 15 minutes from Delaware, and there's no snow on the roofs. All right, I'm going to go, and I'm going to do it from the front of the front windows.